Hello everyone. Today I will introduce how to perform Classify Tunnel Model by Deep Learning. In the LiDAR360 main interface, go to the menu bar at the top, find the Classify Tunnel tool in the Classification module and click to open it. In the pop-up window, first select the point cloud data you want to use for the tunnel model Deep Learning classification. Then, set the evaluation parameters as needed. In the From Class field, choose the initial class you want to be classified. Any classes not selected will not be overwritten by the classification results. Next, set the desired target class. Check the Use GPU First option to enable GPU acceleration for faster classification. After completing these steps, click OK to finish the classification and generate the classification results. That's the entire process for Classify Tunnel Model by Deep Learning. Thanks for watching.